Are you ready to revolutionize the way you scan documents? I've got just the thing. Meet the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless, the most advanced scanner on the market. First off, let me tell you what makes this scanner so special. Its large touchscreen is like having a mini smartphone right in front of you. You can easily navigate through menus and settings with precision. I love how customizable it is. Select personalized profiles to fit your specific needs, and share them with others who might need the same settings. Now, let's talk about scanning speed and capacity. This scanner can handle an impressive 45 pages per minute on both sides of a document, which means you can scan multiple pages in no time. And with a massive 100-sheet document feeder, you can fit a whole stack of papers in there without having to worry about running out of room. But what really sets the scanner apart is its seamless wireless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can connect to smart devices or cloud services without needing a computer. It's like having your documents at your fingertips. Plus, with USB-C connectivity, you can plug it into any computer and start scanning right away. One of the things I love about this scanner is how easy it is to organize and manage your scanned data. The automatic optimization feature helps ensure that all your files are perfectly named and sorted, making it a breeze to find what you need. Plus, with features like photo and document organization, you can easily store and edit your scans. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about safety. Paper jams and damage can be a real hassle. But don't worry, this scanner has got you covered. The brake roller system ensures smooth feeding, the multi-feed sensor detects pages stuck together, and skew detection prevents paper damage and data loss. That's peace of mind right there. As I mentioned earlier, this scanner comes in both black and white designs to match any workspace. And with its premium materials and robust construction, you know it's built to last. In my opinion, the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless is an absolute game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time scanning documents, whether that's for work or personal use. With its fast scanning speed, customizable settings, and seamless connectivity, this scanner is sure to make your life easier. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the link below to check out the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless for yourself.